Alright, now on the Galaxy S26 series, Samsung has added a very useful feature on the camera application. This is on One UI 8.5 on the S26 series, and I hope this feature comes to the predecessors as well. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is about scanning the documents. Let's open the camera application. I will bring a book here, a document here, and instantly you can see that the scan option appears right over here. And to scan the document, all I need to do is just tap on scan. It instantly picks up that image, and you can see it made this document look just perfect. You can also see the original image right over here, and you can add scans here. Let me tap on add. Let's say I want to take the scan of the next page. I can do that as well. I'll just click the image. I can go to the next page, click the image. So continuously we will be able to scan and add them into one single document. Let me open this now. Here we go. This looks just amazing. Look at this. It is very clear. And I got 4 documents here which are just scanned. I can check out the previous ones here. This is how we can easily scan these documents. And we also have options here: adjust, filter, remove, retake, and delete. Let me tap on adjust. You can crop it. You've got filters. Just in case if you want to change the filters here, you can do that as well. This is natural. Let me keep clean here. And you can select apply to apply it to all the images. Then we have got remove option. We have got finger, corner fold, more options. While scanning the document, if you have your finger on it, then you will be able to remove it easily. Automatically it does remove it, but just in case if you want to manually remove it, you can do that as well, and you can apply to all. Let's test this out. Let me get this book over here, and let's try to keep my finger on it and then scan it. Let's start from the beginning here. I'll discard this. Okay, tap on scan. There we go. It just knocked off my fingers from this document, which is just brilliant. And not just that, you will be able to save these documents in PDF format. Let me show you that. You just tap on this 3-dot button here, tap on save as PDF, and this file is available inside your storage, inside your files application, My Files. We have got this document saved as PDF. This is just brilliant, isn't it? This is an amazing feature Samsung has added now on One UI 8.5 and currently available on the Galaxy S26 series. Let's hope that it comes to the S25 series, 24, 23, 22, and all the mid-range phones as well, because this is something basic. This is a very basic feature which every phone should have. Most of the other Android phones already have it, and we also have this on the iPhones. And now this is seamless on the One UI as well. That's about it. You will be seeing more contents on the Galaxy S26 series. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video informative. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.